we're using here is the health data set. And this is our data set. If we were to take a look at it in the first 5 rows, and I have to define I have to load in my modules here, and I will run that, and then I would make sure that I have loaded in the data frame from my computer, the data set, and now I can go and take a look at the first 5 rows of my data. So that's what the data set looks like. It's a data of several measures for health for several different clients. In fact, we can see how many data sets, how many different clients are represented in this data set. And we see we have 4,240 entries with 16 different columns, features recorded. Now, the outcome or the target variable is whether that person developed heart disease in the 10 years that they were being monitored. And so that we can take a look at that as far as what is the balance of that in the data set. And so here we see that there were 644 people who did have heart disease, and then there were 3,500 persons who did not. So we can also do normalize equals true in our value counts, and that would give us the percentage as far as these two categories are concerned. So 15% had heart disease, 85% roughly didn't. Now, the numbers are pretty easy to understand, but if we wanted to create a visual, we would take that same code and we would add to that plot, and then we would say what kind of plot we want, kind equal bar. And so that plot is part of the Matplotlib library in Python, and we can use that to generate these kinds of plots for our data set.